The features you want may be available in BONSBOR 20V Cordless Pressure Washer Max 435Si Portable Pressure Cleaner with Lithium-Ion Battery Charger and Cleaning Accessories. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The portable pressure washer is cordless design, with 4.0 amp lithium-ion battery and charger, gives maximum 50 minutes of continuous runtime. The car wash pressure washer is adopted with a new model motor, which can provide a powerful pressure, up to 435 psi. This high-pressure washer is about 3.4 pounds. The cordless, lightweight and compact design can travel anywhere. It's convenient to use anywhere when there's a water source. Support pull fresh water from bucket, bottle, stream, or pool. Our portable power washer comes with up to 10x the pressure of a normal hose. Multi-function nozzle with 5 spray angles, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and shower. Our pressure washer gun is effective especially for washing cars, watering flowers, cleaning floors, swimming pools, doors and windows, and corners that are difficult to clean manually. Equipped with a foam pot, multi-function long rod, hub brush 11 liters folding bucket and 5 meters hose spray gun attachment for easier use. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.